the Blood Moon Wolf BMW, another one of our midnight series. So the owner Alex came to the Bike Shed show last year and said, I love the Midnight Racer, how about we do a red one? And we were like, absolutely, let's go in. And again, with the Midnight Racer, we've thrown a few really cool touches in this one. So working from the front, Alex wanted to keep some of the parts very standard. He loved his BMW Pure R9T that came out of the showroom. So we didn't want to change everything. We haven't gone for the PCC mudguard. What we've just gone for is a really subtle, cool, clean, full blackout kit on the front. And then we push that and run it through the bike. So pretty much, this is a bit of a refinishing exercise for us. So you've got the fuel caps, you've got the bezels around the headlight. Everything basically has just gone full midnight black on here. So we've put some really cool fork covers on this one. That's something we haven't really done on the others. These were 3D printed. Again, really nice opportunity to sort of throw some different textures, finishing techniques and production techniques. Running through there, again for me, one of the stars of the show on this one, outside of the paintwork, which I'll talk about in a minute, is the G&G low box exhaust. This is the first of the G&G low box exhaust that we fitted to a bike. It looks incredible. Alex was like, I just want the exhaust to basically hide. It's got the OEM pure wheels on it, and they look great. The cast wheels are a fantastic touch out the factory. How can I open up that rear end to let that be seen and exposed a little bit more? The G&G low box underside exhaust was the perfect answer to that. It sounds incredible. It's not ear bleeding. It's definitely louder than standard, but not too much. So take the baffles out and it gets louder. So you might want to take that on the DGR, for example. I want everybody to come and look at me, whip those baffles out, pop them back in, perfectly usable bike for commuting. Let's be honest, the main thing on this paintwork, though, on the bike I should say, is the paintwork. So Valkyrie have done a stunning job, again, as part of the Spin Night series. Again, it looks almost like a black bike from a distance. And the more you come up to it, the more the light pops in it, it turns into this beautiful crimson purple finish. It's fantastic. Get into the rear end. We've cleaned everything up with a 3-in-1 rear end light system. Again, it's one of our sort of like trademark signature pieces. The bike came out wonderfully. Alex is all over it. We love it. It's another one of the things. Valkyrie have done a fantastic job again. It's kind of a bit of a, here's how to finish a bike perfectly.